What is going on? What is going on, you guys? So today I'm gonna do a cooking video. Yes, my first cooking video. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how I prepare my salmon. All right, I'm gonna show you how I prepare my air fried salmon. I do salt, pepper. Well, I actually prefer garlic and lemon pepper, and then I top it off with, where's it at? This Old Bay. Old Bay is always my favorite. And when I tell y'all it tastes so daggone good, it tastes so daggone good. Then you put butter in the bottom of your air fryer and you let it seep in with your salmon. So let's get started. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic powder up here first on the first pieces. Then we're gonna put a little lemon pepper. I like lemon pepper because it gives it that nice zest. And then I put some Old Bay, just a little shake down. Really good stuff right there. Then you turn around, you put a little salt. I don't like too much salt because it's high sodium. Now I already got lemon pepper up there. So then I take my pieces of fish and I put them in my air fryer. Okay, I never season the backside because I just don't. Because when I put the butter in there, when you put the butter in your air fryer and you put it in there for 30 minutes, the butter will come to the top, if that makes sense. Now, sit up here, get your garlic. Again, go ahead, I gotta go get my butter. Put my salt, a little shake of salt. I don't like too much salt. And then my Old Bay. Love my Old Bay. Make sure it's saturated in Old Bay. And make sure it's saturated in lemon pepper. Now, you see how that looks? Oh, my Lord. Now we're going to go get our butter. Okay? So, I normally put the butter at the bottom. Now, I know you're like, why are you putting butter at the bottom of your... It makes it taste better. It brings out the flavor. I'm telling you. You might not think that you're going to be able to taste it, but honey, when I tell you that shit be bomb, yo, that shit be bomb. Now, I used to put something else in here, and I want to say that I put vinegar. Was it vinegar? I think it's vinegar. Get you a cup. I mean, a top full of vinegar and pour it on top of your salmon. And when I say this is gonna bring out some flavor, y'all, woo, it's gonna bring out some flavor. And it tastes exactly, whatever you put in your air fryer, that's exactly how your food is gonna taste. Because it goes in a cycle of cooking. And this is cooking made easy, see? That's exactly how it looks. Excuse this counter, my children were up here. But y'all, yes, how's everybody doing today? Is everything doing good? If you guys want me to make more cooking videos, please let me know. I will share with y'all all of my recipes. All of my recipes that I have, okay? Because they top secret on certain stuff. I can't share because it be too dang good. Then I'm gonna cook some white rice with that. Y'all wouldn't believe this, but it took me till I was 18 years old to learn how to cook rice. I did not know how to cook rice back in the day. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not even gonna front. It did, because rice is one of, if you're not of the descent, rice is one of the hardest things to cook if you never learn how. So I fill my I filling this up with water. I already got my stove on. My bad, y'all. I dropped y'all. I already got my stove on. So boom. Then I put my butter up here. All y'all can see is smoking. I put this much butter. I love butter in my rice. I have to have butter rice. Now, I normally let this boil before I put my rice in here. And this is the kind of rice I get. And this is exactly from Walmart for only, I think, $2. And this will last you a whole month unless you a big rice consumer. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this is where it's at, honey. This is where it's at. All right, I'm going to insert a clip of the final product when I do get finished. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.